Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add automatic page numbers in Canva in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, on the left sidebar, click on Text. Under Dynamic Text, you'll find the Page Numbers option. Simply click on it and page numbers will be automatically added to your project. The best part is that they update dynamically, so no matter how many pages you have, the numbering adjusts automatically. If you want to customize the appearance, click on any page number and use the top bar to make adjustments. You can change the font, size, or style. To apply the changes to all page numbers, click Change All at the bottom, and every page number in your project will be updated instantly. This feature works whether your project has just one page or hundreds. Plus, it will automatically number any new pages that you add in the future. And that's it. Now you know how to add automatic page numbers in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.